Hey, what is going on, everyone? My name is Leon, and today we got ourselves another DEERC 9206E is the model number of this one. This one is a four-wheel drive, super powerful. It's actually like ages 8+, okay? So this is not like a child's toy. This one right here is the big boy toy, okay? So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox this thing, and then I'm gonna go outside when it stops raining, and I am going to give it a test. So I want to thank DEERC for sending this one to me. Once again, they've done an incredible job with all their remote control cars. This to me, this is the brand for remote control car, in my opinion. Well, look at this. Even in their name, the name is RC. So how can you go wrong, right? I just noticed that the other day. Anyway. So yeah, this one right here, four-wheel drive, obviously, is brushless motor. You gotta have brushless motor because, guys, the difference between brushless motors and the regular stuff, which was what I used to use, it's incredible. It's different. It's so different. Anyway, in this box right here, what do we have? It looks like this is a tail. Okay, comes with the tail. And then the usual charging cables in here. Got ourselves the remote right there. And that is it for that box. It has a caution of battery. And then we have ourselves the actual car. Oh yeah, not to mention a big old instruction booklet if you want to read through it. All right. So we got ourselves a battery here, and I think there's already a battery inside here. Look at this. There's actually like a cover to protect this thing. I'm not sure. Can I use this? I think I can use this. Hey, you know what? I think this is a cover where you can use. Yeah. Wow, that is so cool. I've never seen one like this before. Okay, so if you guys don't know DEERC, okay, pretty much you just remove these pins right here that's on top, and then you just change out the shell of it. I mean, just like a real race car, right? Yeah, you just change out the shell right here. By the way, the shell do have like a little, it's like a protective film on it. So I recommend you don't remove it, because you're gonna crash this thing quite a bit. Just leave it on there, you know, and then have a few crash and then take it off. All right. But yeah, like I said, there is a battery already included, as you can see right there, already installed for you. And I love these little pins, by the way. You just pull them out, and they're easy. You see that? You just pull them out. There's no screwing or anything like that. I cannot stand the what you have to screw in order to put the battery in. No, I don't know. I can't see the hole on here to put this in. Oh, there we go. So yeah, right there. On and off switch, guys, it's actually like right over here, okay? When you have the cover on, you gotta, put your finger through here and turn it on and off every single time. All right. Wow, that motor actually is very big. Look at this. It has like a heat sink. Oh, you see the blue heat sink right there? This thing is gonna be fire. Yeah. Look at these shocks too. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. These are beautiful. Shock on all four. Very nice. Oh, lights in the front here. Let's see if it has any juice. Oh, well, you know what? I have to plug it in. So guys, the way it works is, if you've never done one of these cars before, see this right here, you plug it into here. All right, in order to turn it on, in order to connect the batteries. See here, there we go. Then you just turn it on and it blinks. Okay, and then at the same time, you can, which let me just remove this. There we go. I can't see the hole. Okay, so at the same time, there's this little white wire right here. You see the white ends? That's where you charge the batteries. Yeah, you just plug that ends into here to charge that battery up. All right. So, by the way, it is USB. So you can use any USB out there if you want to. Yeah, this thing is beautiful, by the way. Just nice plate down there. And look at this thing. You're seeing this, right? This shock is incredible. Yeah, it's gonna take some beating, that's for sure. So anyway, I am excited about this one right here. I've never seen it done this way before, where look at that. It's literally a cover, yeah, but it's see-through. This is really cool. This is so cool. I'm so glad they thought about that. By the way, yeah, you just keep this around, but I'm keeping this thing on right here. This is beautiful. This is a transparent car. Finally, someone thought about that. So anyway, super easy to change out the shell. Once again, you just use these right here. If you can see the hole, I can't see the hole in my eyes. Just plug in the hole, voila, and that's it, guys. That is it. You can put the tail on here if you want to, because the tail is included in the box. So you know what? Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and do that. There we go, guys. Transparent RC car with a tail on it. Look how awesome this thing looks. I mean, you can see the inside and everything. It's incredible. I'm so glad someone thought of this. You need 3 AA battery in here, which I do have. But once again, guys, I'm gonna wait till it stops raining outside, and then I'm gonna take this thing outside and give it a test spin. So that's it right there. That's the DRC. Let's go take it for a spin right now.